Cabin 14285A. This is a brilliant suite. This is 482 square feet. This is a fabulous room. Walk in. You've got this beautiful bar area, record player, certainly the highlight of my stay on Virgin Voyages. Great little couch, sitting area, coffee table, another funky little chair over here, European king bed, with a peekaboo window into the shower space. We'll take a look at that in a moment. I'll come around here and we'll take a look at the balcony. So I open up the door. You can see you have table and chairs, hand-woven hammock, beautiful ocean views. I'm going to come back into the room. Just closing the door behind me. We'll head into the washroom. Marbled countertop, beautiful sink. There's that peekaboo window. You've got the rainwater shower head, handheld nozzle, the bench. And yes, you can see a little bit into the room area. 2 Rockstar robes. And tucked back here is the toilet area. This is a brilliant suite. On board Resilient Lady.